Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me, Vivo iQOO U5x, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So you just need to remember 3 actions you need to do. So first action is to, from time to time, check up your internal storage, and remember one rule: never fill up your storage over than 70%. After you will fill up your storage over the 70%, your device will start to slow down. So don't fill up your storage over the 70% if you have. So you need to remove unused apps and remove photos and videos from your device, move it to your computer and or to the cloud storage. Then second step you need to do is to remove the application from the RAM. To do it, just click on this 3 dots button and click on the cross, and this way you will remove apps from RAM. You need to do it from time to time. I suggest to do it several times a day, so maybe at morning and at evening, and this way you will have your device in good condition. And the last thing you need to do is to open iManager. iManager is pre-installed app on your device. You don't need to find it to search for it in Play Store. You have this app on your device from the box, and here you will see optimize button. So just open this application when your smartphone is freezing, is blinking. So open this app, click optimize and click OK. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.